agencies.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, my very respected honorable colleagues. I remain Honorable Ali Issa JC, PhD. I am from Balanga Billiri Federal Constituency from Gombe State. Mr. Speaker, I am coming under Order 8, Rule 5 to present this motion of urgent need to consider the implementations of minimum wage for Nigerian workers in order to ameliorate the current economic hardship. Mr. Speaker, my honorable colleague, I hereby move. Urgent need to consider the imperativeness of fixing a living wage for Nigerian workers in order to ameliorate the current economic hardship. Mr. Speaker, the House, cognizant to the fact that the global economic outlook as well as recent socio-economic policies of government have resulted in inflation, increase in electricity tariff, currency devaluations, and other diverse economic consequences, especially for Nigerians and Nigerian workers. Equally, cognizant that the government has been locked in negotiation with labor unions toward the upward review of the minimum wage for some time without any agreement, leading to a recent interruption in the negotiations. Commend government for showing absolute commitment by imploring the labor unions to return to negotiation table. Aware that the National Assembly repealed and enacted the National Minimum Wage Act 2019 to fix the minimum wage at 30,000 naira, even when the proposal of the executive then has suggested 27,000 naira at the time being. And also aware that there was 40% wage award by the former president. Also aware that in line with Section 3, subsection 4 of the Act, the extant minimum wage, which commenced on April 18, has expired after the validity of 5 years on the 18th April 2024, thereby calling for a further review of the existing Act. Note that the implications of payment of 35,000 wage award by the federal government to public servants as one of the ways of cushioning the effect of current economic hardship, including the May 1st pronouncement of percentage increase in salaries of civil servants, has for the time being increased the total amount received by civil servants to 77,000 naira monthly. Also note that labor, employment, and productivity unions has since demanded for a living wage as against the minimum wage to meet today's economic reality. Mr. Speaker, my honorable colleagues, I want the House to resolve, commend labor unions for their commitment toward negotiating a new living wage for Nigerian workers at this very critical period, and resolve to call off the strike in the interim. Urge government to redirect the focus of negotiations from fixing a new minimum wage to fixing a realistic living wage for Nigerian workers. Urge government to further consider the downward review of electricity tariff to reduce the sufferings of Nigerians. Mr. Speaker, my honorable colleague, I hereby move these very important and timely motions for the House to consider and look into it. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My honorable colleagues, Mr. Speaker, I remember on Sunday the leadership of the National Assembly met with the Nigerian labor unions, and during the negotiations, the labor unions have also shown commitment in ensuring that this matter is resolved, even though the leadership raises a very important issues to the Nigerian labor union. Particularly, is normal and is also legal for any union to go into strike to show their protest. But in most cases, there are essential services that also need to be given a very serious considerations. Information is available on Monday that there was no work, and yesterday morning, Mr. Speaker, a lot of lives were lost. Hospitals were not working. Electricity has been shut down all over the country, and this is very serious. I appeal to the labor unions and the government to ensure the 1 week provided for these discussions, let it be resolved. And in a situation that we could not achieve anything, then they have to consider special and essential services. Also, Mr. Speaker, I also want to commend the leadership of National Assembly for initiating the negotiations and discussions between the executives and the labor union. I also want the National Assembly to look at the Minimum Wage Act, which was valid for 5 years. Then we need to also look at it. I am also appealing to every Nigerian who is represented by a very respected, honorable colleague in this chamber to support these motions and let it get the light of the day. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and God bless.
So I put the question, those in support of this motion say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. So this motion is moved to Committee of the House on Labor.